Hello guys, I'm an early bird. I have to take care of the store stand, clean it, turn off the power. This is the early morning here around 8 a.m. My customers are still in the hotel, I think, but I have to be here very early in order to maintain the store. Of course, I've got some colleagues too. They came here by the different means. It's crucially important to clean the store. When the big boss arrives, it's clothes and some other stuff won't be besmirched, won't be getting dirty. It's too early. The security guys are here. This is the hall of FSHOW. The short term is FSHOW. For the crops, rice, wheat, sweet corn, all different crops. So we human being has to cherish our planet, but we have to grow a lot of crops in order to feed ourselves. So what they are doing are very important. Everyone has to eat and drink every day, no matter how affluent you are, how poor you are. That is the everyday activity. You can see carbon reduction fertilizer. Okay, here we go. I'm arriving. So I have to switch on the power. And take out of the junk. Yeah, it's pretty nice, everything. I've seen a great order. That one is from Spain, España. I met the customers yesterday. Okay, there's a waste basket. I'm going to dump it. There's a janitor. Okay guys, I will see you later. I've got more things to do. I have to clean more. There are more booths on CAC. So I have to go to another hall. Or see you guys later. Bye bye.